Welcome to SmartSuite's Project Intake and Approval Solution Walkthrough. I'm Dhruv Purohit, Product Specialist at SmartSuite. Before we jump into the live platform, this is a quick slide that shows how SmartSuite supports organizations end-to-end from strategy and intake to delivery, financials, and outcomes. Today, we're focused on the front door to all this work, project intake and approvals, where ideas, requests, and initiatives are captured, evaluated, and governed before they ever become projects or programs. Let's go straight into the platform and see how this works in practice. I am currently logged into SmartSuite and I have opened the Project Intake and Approvals solution. In most organizations, work requests come in through emails, chats, spreadsheets, decks, and hallway conversations. There's no consistent way to compare urgency, cost, effort, or strategic alignment, and high priority work often bypasses governance entirely. This solution replaces that chaos with a single structure intake system where every request is captured, evaluated, prioritized, and approved before execution begins. At the center of this solution is the requests table. Each request captures the business context, who's asking, why it matters, urgency, estimated effort, estimated cost, and optional strategic alignment. Instead of re-explaining requests at every meeting, this becomes a system of record for demand with full visibility and decision history. As requests are submitted, embedded AI helps in very practical ways. We can see that in the case of the single select, which is leveraging an AI field agent. In this scenario, we're leveraging date details from the intake of a request, specifically the status, the due date, notes, effort, and cost, along with description, to output a very clear one-word urgency for assessment and quick review. The simple urgency level, critical, high, medium, or low, is very clear and defined. No meetings, no manual scoring, just consistent triage in seconds so teams can focus on what truly matters first. Nothing is auto-approved. AI simply helps to ensure that the data intake is clean, comparable, and decision-ready. This is where PMO teams spend most of their time. Dashboards show open requests, high urgency items, aging requests, and cost constraints without digging into individual records. PMO teams can quickly identify what needs triage, what's missing, and what requires finance or executive review. Delving deeper into the dashboard, I'm able to clearly see in this scenario requests that are awaiting outcome decision. In opening up this record, I'm able to see many more details that pertain to the record, including status, which helps track every request along the way. When a request is approved, it doesn't disappear into another system. With one action, it's converted into a project or program, carrying over scope, cost context, and approval history automatically. This ensures that approved work actually becomes governed properly, without retyping or losing intent. Once converted, intake data flows directly into project management, program management, portfolio views, financials, and optional strategy alignment. Executives don't just see active work, they see total demand versus thought put, where bottlenecks exist, and why certain work was approved or deferred. Throughout the entire process, governance is preserved. Detailed audit trail can be viewed for each record. To wrap up, SmartSuite's Project Intake and Approval Solutions gives organizations a single front door for all incoming projects, apples-to-apples prioritization across demand, faster, more transparent approval cycles, and clear handoff from idea to execution. Thank you so much for watching. We'd be happy to talk to you about how we can help you in your PMO space.